In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync multiple Google Drive accounts on one computer. This is a very useful setup if you manage more than one Google account, whether for personal use, work, or different projects. Instead of constantly signing in and out, you can connect everything in one place and make your file management much more efficient and organized. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Google Drive website. Once the page loads, sign in to your main Google account, the one you use most frequently. This will act as your primary account and serve as the base for managing additional accounts. After signing in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon, which may appear as your photo or your initials if no image is set. Click on this profile icon to open a drop-down menu containing account-related options. Inside this menu, look for the option that allows you to add another account. Select it to begin linking an additional Google Drive account. This feature makes it possible to manage multiple accounts within the same browser session without needing separate logins. Once you select the option to add another account, you will be prompted to enter the email address associated with the second Google account. Carefully input the correct email, as this will determine which account is being connected. After entering the email, you will be asked to provide the password for that account. This step is required for security verification and ensures that only authorized users can access the account. If you do not remember the password, it may need to be reset before continuing, but ideally, you should have it ready to keep the process smooth. Once the login process is successfully completed, the additional account will automatically be linked to your current session. You do not need to repeat the login process each time. To switch between accounts, simply click your profile icon again. You will now see all connected accounts listed there, allowing you to easily move between them with just a click. This eliminates the need to repeatedly log in and out, saving both time and effort. And that's it. You have now successfully set up multiple Google Drive accounts on one computer, making it much easier to manage files across different spaces in a seamless way. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.